All right, folks, here's robot news that everyone will love. Doing dishes consistently ranks among the most hated chores. It's dull, you get dirty, and if you're at the sink too long, it can cause health issues. Well, Northeastern University's transformative robotics lab just created a solution, SCCRUB. SCCRUB stands for Surface Cleaning Compliant Robot Utilizing Bristles. This robot arm moves like an elephant's trunk, and research shows it cleans up to 99.7% of contaminants from a single dirty glass plate. What makes SCCRUB special? It features TRUNC cells. That's torsionally rigid universal coupling cells. These mechanical connections let it apply the high and consistent twisting force needed for scrubbing surfaces. Jakub Kowaleski, a PhD student who designed it, says, using TRUNC cells, we've built this arm that mimics an elephant's trunk or an octopus arm. At the end of the robot arm is a counter-rotating scrubbing brush with a specialized planetary gearbox. This lets the brush press into surfaces while resisting friction from scrubbing. Now, SCCRUB isn't the first cleaning robot. We've had Roombas and similar devices for years. There are also humanoid robots and mobile manipulators that spray and wipe surfaces. But SCCRUB has a unique design specifically optimized for the twisting, scrubbing motion that dishes need. The robot was partly designed by Alyssa Ugent, a high school student intern at Northeastern. The team will present SCCRUB at the IEEE RAS International Conference on Soft Robotics in Japan. What's next? If SCCRUB proves reliable and affordable, we could see dishwashing robots in restaurants, commercial kitchens, and eventually homes. Imagine coming home to perfectly clean dishes every day. No more arguments about whose turn it is. The robot revolution isn't just about factories and warehouses, it's coming to your kitchen sink. Interested in consumer robots that actually help with household chores? We're tracking them all at MyRobot.shop. Compare specs, prices, and real-world performance. Your robot news host signing off. Until next time.